Welcome to another episode here in the channel. Argiris Trader, we are here so we can provide you all the information of the market, what is happening right now, and we are here to announce our competition. What we are going to do actually is that we have started this challenge. And in this challenge, we started from $2,000. We are trying to reach over $100,000. After this happens, I'm going to give $10,000 to the guys that they are following, either in BitUnix or in PHEMEX. And of course, I'm going to choose like 3 guys that they will receive all this big amount. So we are also going to give $10,000 more to charity after we are gonna be reaching from the $2,000 the $100,000. This is gonna be our challenge, so everyone who is going to support through BitUnix or PHEMEX in the link below, and of course they are going to trade with us inside our free Telegram group that I'm sharing all my strategies, everything that I'm doing free 100%. You can just go run right there, find everything of what I'm posting and what I'm doing. You can of course take some hints. Nothing is a financial advice. You have to do your own research inside the market before you put your hard working money inside. So let's just go directly to the chart to see what we have right there. Let's see right here for XRP is a major move that is about to happen, guys. This is gonna be legendary as far as I can see. We have very nice, very soon also bullish divergence that they are gonna come here to give an amazing move for the XRP price. Now, if this is going to collapse, guys, it's very important. If this is going to collapse under the 47.6 level for the RSI, the relative strength index, at this point is not gonna look nice. And this means that we're most likely gonna dive under 1.9. We reach 1.9. So now we see the further move towards the upside. If this is going to go to 1.9 for once more and then reverse, that's also an amazing scenario. I don't know if this is going to happen. What we see right now on the daily chart is that I don't like personally this gravestone doji candle. We should see further price action towards the upper side, so we can cancel this for now. Because if the price is going to start rolling and going to all the way up to the upside from now, because this is what it seems like, we have seen a first major breakout right here. I don't like is the fact that we start curving again for the money flow, but it's not something crazy because first of all, we have seen a red dot. Also, our stochastic RSI is looking great, amazing price action. And I don't see any take profit in the close terms. Like, I don't see any, like, despite the fact of the 2.48, I don't see something else that we are gonna jump and roll all the way up, because this bull flag is about to finish. It's about to break out. It's about to give us the next crazy step. Look at these guys. This is the reason why we got the rejection right here, but the time is limited for the XRP price is ready to break out until like 20th of July. We are gonna have a massive breakout. This is gonna be the upside. It's gonna be the downside. Most likely it's going to be to the upside. Then I give like 80% chances for this thing to happen. I'm already in a long position in PHEMEX, and we now are in approximately again $7,000. So we start reaching again around $7,000 in our challenge that started from the $2,000. We are at $7,000. And we are going to start running much better, of course, if we are going to reach the $10,000, because then things are different. The risk management is different and everything is different. So we go to the next level, then we can start trading with more money, so we can reach the next step, that is the 20,000. And of course, this gets bigger and bigger since we are compounding our effort and we are compounding our money. This is how it goes. And yes, it can be reached like within like 6, 7, 8 months. I don't know yet, but this is how much I calculate. Last time that I have done this challenge, I started like from $2,000 and I reached $48,000 within 2 months. It was legendary. It was an amazing time to be alive. Now so I did this, and the previous time that I actually did from $2,000 to $100,000 before that, then it took me like around 6 to 7 months. So I don't know. I hope it's gonna be something like that. So because it's not the first time I'm doing this challenge. Now, here on the Ethereum price, yesterday I announced on my Telegram group, I put a stop loss to the 215 right here, but the price dived a little bit further to 2505. So what I announced in yesterday is actually this hit my SL, but the price action proved me for once more that I can enter. So I entered 233. So this is what happened. Now we took the first take profit exactly in the dollar, as far as you can see, for the Ethereum price. Now what we see for the Ethereum price in the big picture, yes, we should have seen a major breakout. What's the upper side? Now there are many points where I see that we have resistance points that they could reverse and take us for one more leg towards the downside. So I believe that July is going to be in a consolidation mode for a while. And yes, we maybe are going to wait a little bit until we see this major altcoin season that everyone is talking about. However, I don't see anything crazy for now. I also can find out from the daily chart here on the money flow, it seems like we're gonna have another red wave right here. It's not something crazy. 2-day chart is looking great, I would say, and weekly chart is looking good, but we don't have something like a stochastic RSI in green right here. We don't have major bullish divergence. Of course, this is crossing. It could easily give another pump, but this is not something that it's so crazy. So what I'm checking right now is this area. At first, we are gonna have another pump, then most likely the area between 2.915, 3045 is what I'm checking. So if the price is gonna reach right here, we are gonna have another reversal. I don't know how big. It seems like we are gonna have a run for now, not a crazy one, maybe at 2,800. Maybe we're gonna see something like that. That's why I'm taking partial take profits and I don't take the whole trade over there. And this is something that is significant. Now, what I see for now is exactly this point. If this is going to break and we are going to have a further price action to the upper side, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I believe that is going to happen, and you know that most likely is happening. Okay, of course it's not a financial advice, I repeat. We have many things to discuss. 3,500 is major, is a milestone actually. Is a milestone. 3,500. If this thing is going to break, then maybe we're gonna have another move to the 3,800. But after this, the sky is clear, guys. The sky is clear. I believe we're gonna reach crazy levels. So, but this run we can easily have it even the next 15 days. Okay, I don't know how crazy it could be. I don't know if this is going to happen, but it seems like we go to this direction because I don't see something on the downside. I don't see any like crazy liquidity waiting to the downside. Is the only thing that I'm expecting is down here, and this is the price of the 2,470 for once more. So I don't believe that is something insane. We have seen this thing before, and that's why I'm taking profit step by step. Second take profit right here, 2,580. As far as you can see, I have been pointing everything. You can also find everything on the Telegram group. You can go in the link below and of course find on the Telegram group what I believe for the Ethereum price and what is my next trade most likely. For the Bitcoin price, daily chart, what we see on the spider lines is that yes, we are holding good. This thing can easily start reversing, but on the weekly chart we see that bearish divergence continuation. I don't like this. I don't like the fact like we should break this thing very soon. If this is not going to break, things are gonna look tragic. Okay, so we have to break the 110. We have to continue. What I see so far, let me see on the 1 hour chart, 106 is, it's something that it could easily attract the price action for once more. Very easy. Now this is going to happen 2,447 as far as I remember, or something like that, is the price for the Ethereum price in case this is going to dive further. So now regarding the Fiat Index, it's stuck here at the 67. This is the biggest consolidation I've seen so far. It's very big consolidation, but we are going to have a breakout soon, guys. So like fasten your seat belts and prepare, because yeah, it might gonna take like 2 more weeks, might gonna take. But look at this consolidation. This squeeze is going to break out, and most likely it's gonna break out to the upper side. We are going for extreme greed. This is the next level, and this is where I'm actually pulling all the rest of my crypto. What I have inside, I'm gonna pull out. My strategy says this: I have to, because otherwise I'm going to starve like 99% of the market in case I'm not gonna take out my profits. Because yes, I know I'm exposed on XRP and all of this stuff. I have some spot positions like XRP, XLM, XDC and all of this, but I have to take profits, guys. I have to take profits. Otherwise, we are going to starve here. So stick into the plan, work with it, and we can find out this thing is gonna break out. If it's gonna drop again for once more to 106 and then pump. So at this point, it should break. I think 2 weeks left, so we can see. I know it's summer, guys. It's summer, so this thing can easily have a consolidation. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget our competition. With the links below, you can compete as well. 3 guys without doing something crazy, okay? You don't need to do something crazy, just to trade and support our community through PHEMEX or BitUnix, and you have the chance to win up to $10,000. Yes, you heard correct. I'm not joking with these things, guys, and I'm gonna send everything to everyone after we are going to accomplish this challenge. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.